welcome back to Little Blondie's Braids. It's Quick Tip Tuesday, and today's theme is part lines. So that's one of the number one questions we get asked is, how do we do straight part lines? And because I know it can be really tricky, we don't do it perfectly, but in the video to come, I will give you some tips and tricks on how we do straight part lines. And also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our tips that are coming up every Tuesday.
Okay, so here's our tips for getting a straight part line. So I always use just this comb. It's got the straight tip on the back, and I make sure that I have combed all the hair in the direction that I want the part line to go. So I make sure it makes it a lot easier so you're not crossing over. And then I just hold it kind of like I would a knife and go semi-quickly. The other big tip is to make sure that I'm brushing the hair I don't want to use away from the part line, and the hair I do want to use the other direction so that I can see where the flyaways are. I don't do the whole part at the same time. I try and do sections, so I'll usually pull until it kind of catches and then start again. And if there's an area that didn't really come out straight, I just go back over it again and do the same thing where I'm brushing away from the part line the hair I don't want, and then the hair I do want, I'm brushing it into the center. All the way down. So as I get down towards the bottom, I'll do smaller little sections, and as you can see it a little bit better here that I hold it kind of like a knife, and I just go straight down. And I think it takes a little bit of time. I think on the videos that you see sometimes it looks like they just do quick, little part lines, and it's always perfect. But if you just do small little sections, it's easier to get the part the direction you want and make sure that your sections are even. And then I clean it all up, make sure it's the angle that I want, and I'm good to go. So let me know if you have questions.